Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we created a React Vite project. Today, we're automating the setup of Tailwind CSS, no more manual steps. The link to the previous video and the new script is in the description. Let's dive in. At the beginning, the script uses echo_info to display a message, keeping us informed in real time. Then, we install Tailwind CSS and its dependencies, Tailwind, posts, and autoprefixer. Using commands from the official documentation, the script ensures smooth installation with error handling in case anything goes wrong. Just like before, the script starts by using echo_info to print a message, letting us know we're about to initialize the Tailwind CSS configuration file. Then, we run the command npx tailwind init, which sets up the configuration needed to customize our styles and plugins. As with the previous steps, we've added error handling to ensure that if anything goes wrong, the script notifies us and exits gracefully. Next, the script updates the Tailwind config.js file by copying and pasting the configuration directly from the Tailwind CSS documentation. This ensures everything is set up correctly for your React Vite project. The configuration includes the content paths needed for Tailwind to scan your files and work seamlessly with your components, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Finally, we'll set up the index.css file in the src directory with the necessary Tailwind directives at Tailwind base, at Tailwind components, and at Tailwind utilities. Once the script is complete, your React Vite project will be fully equipped with Tailwind CSS, all in one automated step. Now, let's run the script. First, we provide the path to the project and enter its name. Then, we wait for everything to install. Once the installation is complete, let's test Tailwind CSS in the app.jsx file. I'll add the following code. h1 class name =, text red 500 hello people h1. As you can see, the process is smooth, and Tailwind CSS is ready to use in your project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automation tips and tricks. The script and links are in the description below. Check them out and start simplifying your workflow today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.